again, and welcome back to this how-to guide for our GDSLAB software. In this video, I would like to show you how to lock a station to stop accidental or unauthorized changes to that station. It's a level of protection that protects users from themselves, I suppose. So here we have a station that is unlocked. If I just look at the settings, we can see the station config is unlocked. Now with that, if I go into the system builder, we can see that I have full access to change a station configuration. Let me just remove that again, and full access to review and change anything to do with transducers. Now, if I go to the settings, you'll see I have two options. One where I can lock the station only, which prevents the user from changing the station configuration, but still allows the user to change the transducer parameters, or locked, which locks both, so the user cannot change the station configuration and it cannot change either the transducer parameters. If I give a demonstration of this, so if I choose station only, and let me show you the password. I'm going to use a basic password, just GDS. So I've now locked the station only. So if I go into transducer parameters, I can change these. I can change the sensitivity however I like. So I can perform a calibration. If I go to the build mode, system builder, you'll see I cannot change anything here. So I cannot fundamentally change how the system is set up, which is a good level of security, I would say, because it can accidentally be done. Now let me unlock. Enter the unlock code. GDS was my password. Now, usefully, if we want to lock it again, so say I was an administrator, an authorized administrator, I might make a change. I've added a temporary axial displacement transducer that's local. If I click on lock, I can lock it without having to re-enter the password, which I think is it's useful. It's a quick way for the administrator to come in, make a change, and not have to type in the password in front of anybody. So let me unlock that again. And let me just quickly show you the locked, the fully locked. So I need to put in a new password. I'll use the same one. The fully locked situation is that there is no access to change anything in the station. And also, if I click on, let me just remove that station. If I click on any settings for transducers, you will see I cannot change anything here either, except for the soft zero offset, which of course is required for the user to actually do the test. Let me just finish this demonstration by not opening a calculator, by setting this to completely unlocked, which of course I need to unlock it first. So now we're unlocked, I can come back into settings and set the station config to unlocked, which is the default position, which gives the user access to all of the parameters and back to having access to all of the station configuration. Thank you.